Room 502 at the DoubleTree in Toronto. Interesting, no light inside the front hallway. Entranceway. You've got your closet with your iron and ironing board and clothes hangers, and your cabinet. The adjoining rooms, I'm assuming, is on the other side there. Quite a long desk and chest of drawers. 2 beds. Little 40-odd inch TV by the looks of it. Nice picture of the waterfront in Toronto. Little lamp, phone. I don't see any USB ports, oddly enough. Here's a look out the window down to Chestnut Street, which is where we are. 108 Chestnut is where the DoubleTree is. Up there, Toronto Sick Kids. Just down the road is the Eaton Center. And you got a clock radio here. And this clock radio has the old 30-pin iPod connector on it. And then washroom in here. So yeah. Crabtree and Evelyn for your shampoos and body wash. Another nighttime Toronto skyline, whatever the word is I'm trying to find. So this is the DoubleTree in downtown Toronto.